Hello and welcome to J Media Studio. Today we will be looking at a way to enhance your pictures. This is for photographers or people who are interested in photography. And with me is a picture that is straight download from the internet. These are Bantu people from Uganda. And I would like to see how I would enhance the picture to be more beautiful using different aspects. This is for someone who is very new in Lumar Neo, or they seek to see what others are doing with this amazing software. So if you don't have a picture, you just come here to File and click here, edit single image, then it's going to give you where you can download the picture, or you can just upload the picture from your computer. But for me, I'll just click cancel. If you have a picture like it's loaded with, just like me, with here there's a 59%, you can just click fit to screen and it will just fit automatically the way mine is. On the app here we have catalog. We could be here, and in the catalog is where all the pictures that you've downloaded there or you've loaded in the computer. But when you go to edit, is that specific image that you are. On the right panel we have tools, we have edits, we have presets. And for me, I would like to see how I would like to edit this. So one of the things that we looked at last time is how to enhance a picture by changing the sky. Today we'll be looking at different ways in which you can enhance this picture and maybe look better depending on how you'd like. One of the ways you can do is just to use the presets that are already in this software. There are various presets that are in this, and one of them is influencer, monochrome. We have experimental or anything. If you just choose one of them, or maybe something like a scenery. Let's look at this, like the close-up or close-up. If you just click it, it's going to load different presets. Like maybe let's take an example of the midday presets. If you click it, it's going to load the various settings that are in the presets, and you can adjust it to whatever way you'd like it to be. Maybe you can up to here. The other way is just to use in the tools. You just come here to develop, and you have various options. You have the light, you have the exposure. You can expose the picture to maybe different, but you have to be very careful not to destroy the picture. We have the blackness. If you need to increase the whites and the blacks, so if the whites, you can increase the whites. If the blacks, you can increase the blacks. This is the same as in Photoshop. Then you have the curves, that just the way it's used in Photoshop. And you still have the colors. You can increase the temperature, you can increase the tint. There's the noise reduction. You can increase the luminosity, the colors, the boost. You can reduce the boost perhaps. Then we have one big option. Okay, let's remove all this and do all of them. If you come here, there is the option to enhance a picture, whereby you increase the accent, and also if the skies, you can enhance the sky in some of the pictures. And another way you can just do is maybe you can change the sky of the image, just as we looked before. Change the sky. If you just click on just random skies, it's going to change the sky. And perhaps maybe the sky is not as good as maybe you wanted, and they will be changing as you change. Maybe if you change it to a starry night is going to change, and from here you can see the skies are changing. From this tutorial, I will link it below on how to change the skies. The other one, which is very commonly used, is this. In the professional, you have the super contrast. You can increase the highlights or maybe reduce it, the midtones, depending on what you want to achieve in the image. Then there's also the last one we're going to look is the color harmony. In the color harmony, you can increase the brilliance or reduce the brilliance, or the warmth. You can look at the color contrast and see how the picture is going to change depending on what you want to achieve. I hope the video is useful. If it's useful, just click subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, bye bye.